What is up, guys? It's your boy Steven here for another vlog. As you can see, we have this beautiful bike behind me. It's a Ninja 650R and it's freaking sick. My buddy let me have it for the entire day, so you guys already know we got a video coming on it. Alright guys, the first stop we're gonna have to make today is for some gas, because you know we are already out. Ooh, it's so pretty. Alright guys, so she's all full of gas now and she looks freaking amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but there are a few hidden features with this 650R that I do really like. It has underglow, which is pretty sick right here. As you can see, the green lights, but you're not going to be able to see them because it's daytime, so we'll get some shots at night, but it does look really sick. I really like the underglow on it. I think it makes the bike look even sicker when it's rolling. And don't you worry, Mom, I do have a helmet, and I am going to be wearing the helmet, guys, so I'm being safe out here. Don't at me, don't get too mad. I've got a helmet. It's not, guys, this is not my bike, by the way. This is just a friend's bike. He let me have it for the whole day to just ride around and check out. So I'm gonna be riding the bike today. All right guys, we can't take the bike right now. We gotta run an errand with the car. What is up, guys? Sometimes your car won't start and you're all alone, so you gotta just jump start it the best way you can. I'm gonna try to push start it and see if I can get it going. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's go. Look at that, guys. You can jump start it just by rolling it down a hill and then letting the clutch out. Luckily, she started and we're good to go. You're probably asking though, how am I gonna start it the next time if there's no hill? Well, I'm just gonna hopefully charge up the battery as I drive, you know, and no way. I set off a car alarm as I was driving. That is hilarious. Holy crap. But yeah, so hopefully the battery will just charge as I drive, and then I can start it the next time. If not, guess I'll just be SOL. Doesn't she look so good? Alright guys, I'm gonna ride the bike to our local car meet and I'm gonna check out the cars. Hopefully there's some sick ones, but I'll show you guys when I get there. I made it safely to the car meet.
You were taking a picture with just your fucking phone while you're getting all fancy here.
Dude, no, I just wanted to get like a snapshot of it. CBR 1000. That's pretty sick though. So close. It's gonna hit it. Dude, just parked right there. Oh, that was sick. Oh, we got the Jeep gang. Jeep gang. That was sick.
What's up, man? So you vlog or what?
Dude, I have a YouTube channel. Do you have a YouTube channel?
I'm just starting a YouTube channel, man. What's up?
Dude, what's good? I'm Steven, man. Nice to meet you.
My name's Scott.
Dude, that's sick.
So you're doing strictly cars or what?
I do cars and I just barely got a bike.
Dude, hell yeah. Yeah, my channel's gonna be like, it's gonna just be like...
Well guys, I guess everybody is dipping because they think the cops are coming or something like that. But it was a sick meet. Honestly, had a good time. There's a lot of sick stuff that happened. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you to each and every single one of you. If you haven't already clicked that subscribe button, be sure to click that button and like the video. Also, let me know what you think of the bike content. To be clear, this bike is not mine, it's a friend of mine. He didn't want to be in the video really, so I just left him out of it. But yeah, we got that bike for the whole day. It was awesome. I love that bike. I really do want a motorcycle, but I don't think I'll be able to get one anytime soon just with my current situation, but I'm definitely thinking about it and hopefully eventually it'll come. But I bet we can snag that bike for another video if we want to, guys. But yeah, let me know what you think of the bike content. Also, my car will be fixed soon, so there'll be another video out tomorrow about what's going on with my car. This is my homie Mitch. He's been helping me a little bit with filming, but yeah, if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button. It helps a lot. Also, that car footage at the end was absolutely insane. Did you see that burnout? Craziness. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Ha.